Have you ever been cruising down the highway only to be interrupted by the dreaded check engine light? Car engine problems can be a nightmare, causing frustration and potentially costly repairs. But fear not, because we've compiled a list of the top 10 most common car engine problems to help you stay informed and prepared. Your car's engine is the heart of its performance, but just like any complex machinery, it's susceptible to various issues over time. From minor nuisances to major headaches, understanding these common problems can save you time, money, and stress down the road. The top 10 most common car engine problems. Check engine light, CEL. This notorious light can illuminate for a multitude of reasons, ranging from a loose gas cap to more serious issues like faulty oxygen sensors or catalytic converters. Overheating, whether it's due to a malfunctioning thermostat, coolant leaks, or a failing radiator fan, overheating can cause significant damage to your engine if not addressed promptly. Poor fuel economy. Decreased fuel efficiency could be attributed to issues such as dirty air filters, worn spark plugs, or fuel system problems, all of which can affect your wallet at the pump. Misfiring. A misfiring engine can result from faulty ignition coils, spark plugs, or fuel injectors, leading to rough idling, decreased power, and potential damage to the catalytic converter. Oil leaks. Leaking oil can stem from various sources, including worn seals, gaskets, or a cracked engine block. Ignoring oil leaks can lead to low oil levels, inadequate lubrication, and ultimately engine failure. Strange noises, from knocking and tapping sounds to hissing or squealing. Unusual noises can indicate issues like worn bearings, loose belts, or exhaust leaks, signaling the need for immediate attention. Faulty emissions control system. Problems with emission components such as the EGR valve or oxygen sensors can trigger check engine lights, affect performance, and contribute to environmental pollution. Stalling. Engine stalling can occur due to a variety of reasons, including a malfunctioning idle control valve, fuel pump issues, or a clogged fuel filter, disrupting your driving experience and safety. Electrical problems. Issues with the electrical system, such as a weak battery, faulty alternator, or corroded wiring, can lead to starting difficulties, flickering lights, and overall drivability concerns. Compression loss. Loss of compression in one or more cylinders can result from worn piston rings, valve seals, or cylinder head gasket failure, causing poor performance, rough running, and decreased power. Solutions. While encountering car engine problems can be frustrating, many issues can be prevented or mitigated through regular maintenance and timely repairs. Here are some solutions. Routine maintenance. Follow your vehicle manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule for oil changes, filter replacements, and inspections to keep your engine running smoothly. Address warning signs promptly. Don't ignore warning lights or unusual sounds. Addressing issues early can prevent more significant problems down the road. Professional diagnosis. If you're unsure about a problem or lack the expertise to fix it yourself, seek professional help from a qualified mechanic or technician. Use quality parts. When replacing components, opt for high-quality OEM, original equipment manufacturer, or equivalent parts to ensure reliability and longevity. Stay informed. Educate yourself about your vehicle's systems and common problems, empowering you to recognize and address issues effectively. Stay ahead of car engine problems by subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips, sharing this valuable information with fellow drivers, and hitting the notification bell to receive updates on future content. Together, let's keep our engines running smoothly and enjoy worry-free driving.